A customer in Howell, New Jersey contacted Cowleys complaining of flying ants all over the interior of a pool house. When we inspected, we found a massive colony of carpenter ants and their eggs hiding underneath a rolled up pool cover. Carpenter ants are wood-destroying insects, but don't eat wood as termites do. Instead, they hollow out smooth galleries in the wood for them to build a colony. As we inspected the exterior foundation of the pool house, we observed carpenter ants crawling down a tree directly behind the pool house and making their way inside through a hole in the siding. We treated the access point with a direct contact aerosol application and then applied a liquid residual along the entire interior of the pool house and along the exterior of the home as well. Also, we treated the base of a tree and around the perimeter of the pool house with a granular bait. Once carpenter ants come in contact with any of these treatments, they will transfer the products back to the colony. The applications then quickly spread like a virus, ensuring quick neutralization of the entire colony.